What if I told you there's a trading app that promises to turn you into a financial guru overnight? Sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly what I thought when I first heard about the Gemini Trading app. Hook. But what if this app is actually legit? What if it could be the key to financial freedom you've been searching for? Building context. Today, we're diving deep into the Gemini Trading app. We'll explore its features, its track record, and most importantly, whether it's a legitimate tool for trading or just another get-rich-quick scheme. What is the Gemini Trading app? Let's start by understanding what the Gemini Trading app is. It's a mobile application designed to provide users with real-time market data, trading tools, and educational resources. The app claims to offer a user-friendly interface and advanced algorithms to help traders make informed decisions. Key features of the Gemini Trading app. Now, let's break down some of the key features that the Gemini Trading app boasts. Real-time market data. The app provides access to up-to-date market information, including stock prices, currency exchange rates, and cryptocurrency values. Trading tools. Gemini offers a range of tools to assist traders, such as charting capabilities, technical indicators, and order types. Educational resources. The app provides educational content, including tutorials, articles, and webinars, to help users learn about trading strategies and concepts. Is the Gemini Trading app legit? So, is the Gemini Trading app actually legit? Well, it's not a scam in the traditional sense. It's a real app that provides real trading services. However, the question is whether it's a reliable and effective tool for trading. Analyzing the track record. One way to assess the legitimacy of the Gemini Trading app is to examine its track record. We can look at user reviews, testimonials, and any regulatory oversight it may be subject to. User reviews. While there are both positive and negative reviews of the Gemini Trading app online, many users praise its user-friendly interface and real-time market data. However, there are also complaints about technical issues and customer support. Testimonials. The Gemini Trading app features testimonials from satisfied users who claim to have achieved financial success using the app. However, it's important to note that these testimonials may be carefully curated and not representative of the average user experience. Regulatory oversight. Gemini is a regulated exchange, which means it is subject to oversight by financial regulators. This can provide a level of assurance regarding the app's legitimacy and compliance with industry standards. The risks and rewards of using the Gemini Trading app. While the Gemini Trading app may be a legitimate tool, it's important to understand the risks and rewards associated with using it. Risks. Market volatility. Trading involves risk, and the value of investments can fluctuate. Learning curve. Becoming proficient in trading can take time and effort. Emotional factors. Trading can be emotionally challenging, and it's important to manage emotions effectively. Rewards. Potential for profit. Successful trading can lead to significant financial gains. Financial independence. Trading can provide a path to financial freedom. Intellectual stimulation. Trading can be intellectually stimulating and rewarding. Is the Gemini Trading app right for you? Ultimately, whether the Gemini Trading app is right for you depends on your individual circumstances and goals. If you're interested in trading and willing to invest the time and effort to learn, the app may be a valuable tool. However, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to make money, it's important to be realistic about the challenges involved. Conclusion. So, is the Gemini Trading app real or fake? The answer is yes, it's real. However, whether it's a good fit for you depends on your individual circumstances and goals. It's important to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and approach trading with a realistic mindset. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.